Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanma here. I had two really nice flights, a scary blade sounds. I gotta do something like this one need maintenance, not repair, maintenance. A lot of moving parts, getting some serious high-pitched sounds and scary blade sounds. Yeah, well, that is natural. But that is why I love the M2 helicopter from OMP Hobby, because very few moving parts, man, really. No more gears, no more grinding, no more squeaking, no more screeching sounds. This is absolutely the most powerful mini helicopters. Beautiful, 2 thumbs up. So I'm gonna fly the M2 now, and ALZRC Fast Devil is gonna rest for a while. Alright, let's fly the M2. Just now I flew ALZRC Fast Devil 420 and that feels very sluggish. This, on the other hand, I'm sure it's gonna feel very, very agile. Yeah, baby, it feels very agile. Here are some grass that I thought I would try to cut. So let me focus on the inverted. There goes one piece. Uh-oh, don't get too close. No, 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 no. Oh, that's where I crashed last time. The same way. I gotta practice my inverted even more. Inverted backward. And trying to get it into funnels. Not very successful, half successful. Man, this thing is really agile. I am just playing around. Oh, look at that chopping, sweet chopping there. Practicing my rolls. Not a good background there. Not a good background here either. Man, I gotta find a new place to fly, really, where I can actually see my M2 properly. It is very agile. Normally, I am still trying to do it like ALZRC. Okay, the timer says I'm done. I said 4 minutes. Last time I tested the endurance on both full throttle and mild throttle, I mean the normal mode, and I found I flew 9 minutes 38 seconds on normal throttle, and on full throttle I flew 3 minutes 50 seconds when the beeper spoke. To me that's, you know, battery is painful. So I said 4 minutes, and that's about it. So the battery now should be 3.8 volt and 3.7 volts per cell, I believe. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here is my battery meter. I've been busy today, man. I drove these two crawlers. Oh, man, they're amazing. Flew LZRC 420. I flew the new Ishi Novice I. Well, busy day, and I gotta go pick Hobby. Yeah, as I expected, I was right to set 4 minutes on my Futaba to full throttle 3D. 3.7, 3.7, 3.7 volts. Awesome. That's nice. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.